Welcome back. This is still Issues with Dr. Stan. We are still looking at this issue of women faking orgasm. I've sat down and analyzed it, looked into it properly, and I discovered that you lose more when you fake orgasm, because that orgasm is a natural thing deposited in your system by God. And for God to deposit that in your system, it has a reason. There is a purpose. There is a benefit. And when you are not reaching to orgasm, it means that the reason and the purpose of why God deposited that in your system is defeated. Whatever any man does in this life, whatever any woman does in this life, there is advantage. For instance, if they tell you that if you drink water, you will live, it means if you are not able to drink water, you will die. If they tell you that the reason why you should take your bath properly is to smell good, it means if you are not able to do that, you will smell bad. That is the same way with this issue of faking orgasm. Some of you, even though you do it in good faith, do not understand that you are also losing a lot as women. Therefore, I have these few points to portray what I am talking about. Number one, whereas the pressure in getting orgasm has the ability to boost your immune system. Do you know that? That anytime you make love with your partner and you get to orgasm, you come, it boosts your immune system. That is to say, if you did not come, your immune system drops. That is one of the things you lose when you fake orgasm. Number two, do you know that when you get orgasm, when you make love and you get to the point of coming, you improve your mood positively? Do you now see the reason why some people you think that they are responsible, married women, will come to the market and be fighting? Do you now see the reason why that women will come out in the public and be insulting everybody without knowing who you are? Do you now see the reason why that a woman will quarrel with everything in the house, including with her own children? Can I now convince you that those women we see on social media that maltreat their maids, do you not see why they do that? Because the thing that God created in them that should naturally improve their mood positively is not active, is not working in them, and therefore they are always moody. They are not always happy, even without them knowing what their problem is. They quarrel with everything around them. Quarrel with their husband, quarrel with their mother-in-law, quarrel with their children, quarrel with even her own siblings. She quarrel with everything around her. That is what the absence of orgasm does in a woman. Number three, orgasm has the ability of helping you to relieve yourself from stress. When you don't get it, it increases your stress. It makes you look older than your age. It increases everything that bothers you, because you don't have where you ease out those stress. Number four, whereas orgasm brings about a better, sweet relationship, not getting to orgasm brings about a bitter relationship. Sometimes some men will be wondering, I have done everything I could to this woman, yet she is not happy. How can she be happy when you don't take her to orgasm? Sometimes everybody around the house complain, I don't know what is wrong with mommy, I don't know what is wrong with auntie, I don't know what is wrong with this person and this person. You have issues with everything around. Research has proven that when you make love and you reach to orgasm, it betters your relationship. It makes your relationship more sweet. It makes your relationship more enjoyable. It makes your relationship more better. But when you don't get it, you get the opposite. Are you seeing what you lose when you fake orgasm? Are you seeing them? You are losing when you fake orgasm. That is it. Number 5. In as much as we know that orgasm cannot make you pregnant, you can't get pregnant because you come, because you reach orgasm. But research has proven that a woman that reaches her orgasm during sex has a better chance of fertility. It boosts your fertility as a woman. That's the truth. If you doubt me, you can Google it. It's there. I just brought out these 4 points to let you know that you are actually losing when you fake orgasm. And I will also want you, if you are experienced, to tell us, add to what we just said. Tell us more about what women lose when they fake orgasm. Thanks for watching.